Welcome to MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a 2023 Sea Ray SLX 310. This boat just arrived and is available here in Rogers. Starting up at the bow, we have the stainless steel anchor and windlass, and actually stainless steel components all over the boat. We do have the rally red hull color here with the white hull bottom, and the red really ties into the red lighting up there in the tower. As we make our way to the stern, we have a big swim platform back here with a nice sea deck flooring on here as well. The automated swim, submersible swim step that does deploy down into the water. We have the dynamic running surface with the two trim tabs and underwater lighting. And this does have the twin 350s on it from Mercruiser. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features of this boat. Welcome inside this beautiful SLX 310. Starting here on the stern, again, we have a lot of area back here on the swim platform. And a great spot to hang out. This has a couple of different positions here. You can either have these backrests up or down. Looking at the stern again, we have the Fusion Premier set up back there. You can adjust the volume without going back to the helm and back to the seating area. As we walk in, nice big entryway into the boat. This does have the dune upholstery and then the brown sea deck here. And then making our way into the cockpit area, this does have the snap-in and infinity woven vinyl flooring. Nice seating around here. This boat is built for entertainment with your friends and family on the lakes here in Minnesota. And at the entertainment section, we do have a sink and then also a spot here you can put drinks and ice, and then it self-drains. And then we also have underneath a refrigerator. As we move towards the helm, we have a really big captain and co-captain seating set up here, both of which do have the flip-up bolsters. And then at the helm, everything's very accessible here right in front of you. We have the dual SIM-RAD display screens. You can set this up with your engine diagnostics, your chart plotting, and then this is also a great feature here where you can control the extended sunshade going forwards and backwards. You can also go through your lighting here and then taking a look at your voltage on your batteries. So great setup here. We have your tilt steering wheel, and then again, this does have the dynamic running surface on here, digital throttle and shift, and then also the joystick piloting. So this boat's very easy to maneuver, especially getting on and off the dock. Taking a look down here, got a big head back there as well. Another recessed glove box here, and then a nice windshield that does fold over, and then we have the door here that really blocks out some of that cold wind on some of those early summer mornings here in Minnesota. And then also up in the bow, we have a lot of seating up here. Very comfortable spot to hang out and enjoy the water. This boat is located at our store in Rogers. Please feel free to give us a call, make an appointment. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.